Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And if you are watching it would be May 10th on a Wednesday, which means it is the Brewed Beauties Collab Day, hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. Also in the collab is Char from Char's Fashion Nation, and then there's Johna from My Nails and More by Johna. And there's Erica from Erica's Nail and More. This week's theme is a Mother's Day look. Sorry if I keep looking over my shoulder. My daughter's camera's there. I just want to make sure she's okay. It's a Mother's Day look, and I decided I'm going to use the Banana Fetish palette and do a yellow look. Yellow and brown, maybe. I think that's what I'm going to go with. So, I don't normally use yellow a lot. This is a really beautiful palette. This is the color story. And I really like it. There is something on my screen. Okay. So, I'm going to go in with my Peeps. And I'm going to go all over the lid. I already did my foundation. I use my CoverGirl Simply Ageless foundation and Jeffree Star concealer and some blush. It's Will Powder blush. So that's it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get started here. So I'm going to go in with my Peeps all over the lid so I have something to blend into. I don't remember when he came out with this palette. I think it was in 2021, or it could have been 2020. I don't remember. I only got the palette from that collection, and I wasn't even really sure if I was going to get it because, like I said, very rarely use yellow. So this is a Mother's Day look, and I hope all of you who are moms have a great Mother's Day. I am a mom. I have 4 kids, 3 that I gave birth to, and a stepson that I raised. And then if that was from my second marriage. Now, in this relationship I'm in now, Matt has 4 kids, 3 girls and a boy. And the boy's living with us right now. I'm also a grandma. I have 6 grandchildren. I have 4 boys and 2 girls. And then I have 5 step grandchildren. I believe it's 5. Alright, so we went all over the lid with my Peeps. And I think I'm going to go in with cream pie for the inner corner. It's bright. And bring that up into the crease a little bit. Alright, that looks alright. I gotta bring it a little higher because I have hooded eyes. She's being quiet right now. I filmed another video earlier, so if you see me in my same shirt, that's why I'm pre-filming. I have to film when I can. There's just no way around it right now. Although Heidi's doing so much better. Alright, I'm gonna blend that. So what do you guys do for Mother's Day? The guys usually cook for me and my mom. My Matt will cook for me and my mom. I don't know what to get my mother this year because, I mean, she has everything. I'm going to go in with Sunday Service. It's a brown. I'm going to go on the outer V and up into the crease. It's almost like a chocolate brown. Mother's Day also marks when I usually start bringing out my plants. We're usually beyond a freeze by Mother's Day, but not always. We had some very weird, unpredictable weather this year. We got a lot of rain, but that's good, right? Alright, that looks pretty good. Let me go back. Oh, not that brush. What the hell did I do with the brush? Okay. I just talk to myself like crazy person. I'm going to blend that. I don't want it to be a real crazy dark look. Alright, and a little bit more of that. I tried to adjust my sound on my camera settings because I film from my laptop. Alright, so that's what we're working with there. Now I want to go in with, I don't know, I'm torn between this one, which is G-Spot, or Vitamin P. I think I'm going to do Vitamin P. Let's see, look at that. And go in the middle. Try to do a little halo-y look. Okay, I can dig that. It's a beautiful day out today. I've been sitting out on the porch off and on. And it's warming up. The sun's finally coming out more, and I think I need to bring that brown over a little bit on that eye. The Sunday service. It's hard because my eyes are hooded, but the way they're hooded is different on each side. It's kind of weird. But you know what? Aging gracefully, right? So I was just talking to Char and Alex, and I grew out my gray. Everybody knows that. And from a pixie cut. This is my natural color in the back. Like, it's still coming in not gray. See how much darker it is? And I'm seriously, guys, thinking about dyeing my hair because I'm getting so bored with this. I'm up in the air about it, but alright, I'm going to go into G-Spot with a brush. They say not to go all the way up to your eyebrow with. I just love it, and I think it makes my eyes look a little more lifted. It's pretty. Sorry, I have to keep my phone on, guys, and I know it's a pain in the ass. Hearing it ding all the time, but I'm waiting on the nurse. Oops. Waiting on the nurse to drop off a test for Heidi to make sure she doesn't have a urinary tract infection. She sometimes will say stuff off the hook. I'm going into Star Split, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. She said it was burning when she went to the bathroom, and because she can't describe things all the time, I'm going to go into Sunday service and bring that down. I might go into that blue. What do you guys think? Underneath? Yep, just light. Very light. Alright, I like that. Just a little tiny touch of blue. Alright, now I was looking for my brown eyeliner. I kind of wanted to do a brown eyeliner with that one. Not sure where the hell it went. There it is. So I'm going to go in. I really need to wash some brushes. She's okay. On the waterline. Oh, tell me this ain't gonna work now, right? I thought it was gonna be a deeper brown. But that's okay. Let's see how that looks. It'll be alright. Might go over it with some black. Or do you think I should bring that blue? No, I'm going to leave it. Alright, I'm going to pause this, put some mascara on, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. I used the Level Up mascara by ColourPop and the Peach Animal Crossing lip crayon. That is also by ColourPop. And that is my look. Using the Jeffree Star Banana Fetish palette. And I think everything came out pretty good. I'm going to go into the e.l.f. blush palette. I just feel like my blush is not showing up. There. Let me see, I have some darkening over there because sitting out on the porch, I got to start switching as I'm getting sun on one side of my face. And I tan very fast. So, that is my look for the Brewed Beauties collab. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Go check out the other girls. Go give a shout out to our host, Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. And go watch the other girls, Char from Char's Fashion Nation, Johna from My Nails and More with Johna, and Erica Sue with Erica Sue's Nail and More. So I'll have them listed down below. And please go watch them, like and subscribe. I hope you like this look. I think it's nice, easy, simple Mother's Day look. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. I hope you have a great weekend and a great Mother's Day. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.